and I'm back. I have just finished the first phase of my backyard and I'm really excited to show you. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we are in my back patio and there is hubby, and we have decided that we are going to redo our full backyard, including the fire pit. We are going to redecorate and give our fire pit a upgrade, and also going to mulch all around our flower beds. So the first thing we are going to do is decide how far out from the concrete we are going to remove the sod. We want to add some mulch all the way around. We also want to possibly add stones and add some plants. We're doing just the mulch on both sides, but by the fire pit we're going to add some mulch and some plants and kind of spruce it up. So we decided to go with 1.5 foot. We are going to mark it all the way around with this spray marker, and my husband is going to excavate. And while he is doing all of the excavating and pounding down the dirt just to make sure that it is even, I will be painting our Adirondack chairs. So of course, as with any project, you make sure that your project is clean because you don't want the paint to be peeling off later. I decided to use this beautiful blue that I found in Home Depot. The color is called True Navy, and it is the Ultimate by Behr. It is an awesome paint. All I did was give it one coat and it covered the full chair. So chair number 1 is done, and on to chair number 2. But first, let's check on hubby. So he's done with the excavating, and he decided to put a weed barrier and also a barrier around the complete circle so that the mulch wouldn't be spilling all over the grass. We decided to get 10 bags of the mulch, and that was enough to go around the whole fire pit. We ended up buying 10 more for each side of our flower beds, and they came out really pretty. So I don't have a green thumb, and I went to Joann's and they had 50% off of all their greenery, and I picked up these beautiful plants, and I also picked up these pots at Ollie's. I decided to use them instead because I want my backyard to look nice all year round, and I don't have to be worried about watering or anything like that. So I added some stones and some sand to the pots. I put the plants in, and voila! So this is it, guys. I think it came out so beautiful. I am so happy with our final space. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is going to be so peaceful out here, turning on the fire, roasting marshmallows, and just having a good old family time. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload the video.